We're at a lovely open house with the lovely bartender. Oh my gosh, I'm having a $9.99.
$9.99, the house address.
$9.99. Oh, that's the house address. Yes, this is quite the place.
It even comes with a bartender.
It does.
Yeah.
Well, that's awesome. All right, thank you.
My pleasure.
Here's my continuation of my video. Oh my God, look at the goodies. So, what's the asking price again? How much? That's it? 5.2 for this view? Oh my gosh. Okay, we'll have to go find a banker after I get a snack. Okay, we'll go outside in a little bit, but for now, I'll show you my bedroom. It's got a nice patio. Good view too, check that out. Couple walk-in closets. Oh my gosh.
Oh, we have one that I don't use.
Crystal, you could fill that up.
We could fill that up.
You could fill that up. He always blames me, you know?
Please do not use this bathroom.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Check this tub out.
We sold RVs and we used to have to take the toilets
Oh, really?
closed, yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay. Personally, I think I'd shower outside. Right out here, there's the rain head. Gonna have to hit the upper deck. Pretty good view of the neighborhood.
Oh, I bet you what's your name painted on these too.
Probably, yeah.
Pretty cool.
Oh, it matches that chandelier too. Isn't it beautiful? Look at the lights.
Oh yeah, it's got a remote for the ceiling fan. It is kind of a cool fan too. Is that door open?
Yeah, I don't think they want you going out that way.
They don't care what you do as long as you're here and don't break nothing.
These are cool, these jugs.
Yeah,
Very, very cool.
I see, that's
I
the
gotta find the
elevator.
trash can because I can't open the door.
Nice.
Did you get the elevator? No.
Oh, here's another bedroom.
This is a,
Yeehaw.
they said there's still a few things they haven't finished.
Pretty cool closet.
This is a nice shower.
That'd do. Oh look, you can cut right through. I love the coconut.
I know, look at this.
Look, it's a jellyfish. Cocoa nuts. Cocoa nuts. All right, I'm still trying to figure out how they got upstairs.
Right here. This is the elevator.
Oh, you gotta take the elevator upstairs? Oh, look at this. Double wide sink. Everything's grand here.
Yeah, I told Sandy we got one half this size.
Yeah. Well, call the elevator because I gotta go upstairs.
We're not taking the elevator.
Yeah, you can. There's people up there. Oh, maybe not.
Yeah, I'll try to tell you.
How'd they get up there then?
Outside, I believe.
Okay. So you gotta go out on the porch then.
Yeah, no,
Oh, there they are, steps.
yeah, I tried to tell you, but you didn't listen.
Okay. Another nice view of the neighborhood. There's the party deck. And it's quite the party. Dolphins swimming in the pool.
Here in this one, look.
You know what's funny? By the time everybody sees this, the party's gonna be over. 3 to 5. Okay, I'm heading upstairs. Yep.
I think it's for outside cameras and stuff.
Oh yeah, the internet or whatever.
Yeah.
Hey, they're fixing our. There's Melody Island. They're fixing our channel. They got more parking than anything. What is this, like 3 lots? Bring my drone down here later. Wow, this is quite the deal here. Nice. Even got a good breeze up here. Oh my gosh. And there's the dolphin swimming in the pool again. Hope I got my wind buffer on. If not, I'll play some music. That house right there is really cool too. And they said this one's for sale for slightly more money. She said that one's for sale, the realtor did. It's like 5.7 now, the one that's got the listing. Sunny is her name. Sunny. I wonder how much the island is now. They're fixing they're doing the marker buoys, channel markers.
Oh.
No, you went that way.
Wow. Can you see our house from here? No. That's good. Oh, there goes the wind again. Open house. Yeah, we gotta wait our turn here. Okay. Down we go. Yeah, this is probably the sketchiest part of the whole deal. But see, the elevator don't go up there, it only goes down. That is the way up. Kind of sketchy, I think.
Okay, well, what's that?
All right, let's go on back in.
So there's,
Hey guys,
what do you think?
I like it.
I think it's cool.
You moving here?
Nah, I'm gonna tell Mike Ambrose he needs to play.
Okay. Oh, we locked ourselves out.
That's alright.
Somebody will come out. Okay, that's where we were. What road is this? Flagship? 999 Flagship. They got it going on here, I can tell you right now. That's the pool. There's our bicycles we rode over. There's the other end of that elevator down
Yeah.
here.
Right.
You can ride that upstairs. That's cool. Look at this generator. My
know.
God.
It's amazing.
Couple air conditioners. They got a nice,
Two upstairs.
nice seawall.
Two upstairs as well. You walk off the-
Yeah, I hear you.
Well, I meant because it was.
It's a tall one for sure. But you can surely have a big boat here. Thing's tall, ain't it? Be about right for my boat.
We need to do something with ours.
Oh, look, they got cameras on the corners. Okay.
Yeah, you want to walk under this way?
Yeah, why not? There's an airplane taking off. Oh, I know the door was locked. I was trying to come down there.
Fence. I said I would fence it in. It's already fenced in.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that it was that big of a property. Look at
Yeah.
where the bar is.
Looks like their little palm tree needs a little fertilizer. So that's their shed in there, obviously. Wow.
This is the swimming pool here.
I know, it's pretty cool.
The RV's not gonna fit underneath there?
No. My truck would, though.
You park it on that lot.
Unless you go really fast.
Yeah.
You got a lot of property.
Oh, yeah, there's 3 lots, isn't it? Oh, really?
These are 100-foot lots.
The realtor said there's only one more expensive house in the neighborhood, and it's that one.
Yeah. Well, that guy, they just keep pushing the price. The guy doesn't want to sell it. I think he's just buddies with the realtor.
With the realtor.
And keeps people coming.
Well, there you go.
But I'll tell you what, my dog would like that pool.
Oh, yeah.
Me too.
Bring him over when no one's around.
Yeah.
I like that house right there. Too, that lady's really nice.
She is very
Amazingly nice. Well,
gorgeous. And
that
you know what?
concludes our open house.
They got
Key Isle Realty. I met Sonny, but not Lee. If I did, I didn't know it. There's where we were. We're gonna head out. So he said it's 2 lots, 200 feet. Yeah, 100 feet apiece makes 200. Now there's a cool car. Porsche. Okay, I get back on my pedigo. Hope you enjoyed the tour, because it was fun for me.